You have pudding?
What are you doing here? You trying to sneak attack me?
Why would I attack you?
Because that's what enemies do. A day.
A day? You're funny. Want to be friends?
Friends, huh? What about Sonic?
Who?
That's the spirit. Disloyalty is a trait I admire in a toady. Welcome to Team Eggman. First order of business, get me a towel. Where's the towel?
What towel?
The towel I asked you for. Get to it.
I found pudding.
No, not pudding. A towel.
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Yeah, forget this. I'll do it myself.
A day?